So guys, this particular update that I'm about to share with you guys here, if you apply it from now till 7 days time, you're really gonna be making a whole lot of money. If you are starting it with 40 USDT in 1 week, which is 7 days time, you are gonna be having a minimum of $400 to $700, because this is a tested and trusted. This particular strategy, I use it to make thousands of dollars. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to be trading this particular you can see in my Binance I have 101 USDT, so I'm going to use it to make a live trade so that you can see how much we really gonna be making, and I'm going to make a withdrawal immediately. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new update, you get to know about it. We also have a free Telegram group where you can join us. The link is down below this video, and you get to know what is going on in the crypto market. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive in. Subscribe to this channel. So if you take a look at my account here, this is the automated bot which we are going to be using to carry out this particular trade. So if you take a look at my account, I have only bet 1 USDT here. So I'm going to be making a deposit here, and I'm going to be selecting USDT. Okay, TRC20. I'm gonna be very fast on this particular video because I don't want it to take much time. Okay, so I'm going to be selecting USDT. In the next 7 minutes to 8 minutes of your time, you're really gonna understand how this actually work and how you can start making money. This is crypto 2026. You need to be making money in this month of March. If you take this update serious, you're really gonna be making a whole lot of money. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing right now, since I've selected USDT, I'm going to be imputing 99 USDT. Okay, since I have 101 USDT, and as you can see, I've copied my USDT TRC20. So let's head back to my Binance, and in my Binance here, the next thing you need to do, you can use Bybit, you can use KuCoin, you can use Get.io, Mexi, any exchange that you like, you can use them to do what? To fund. Okay, so the next thing which I'm gonna be doing is to click withdraw, then paste my address. Okay, once you have ignored, follow it step by step. So you paste your address and you cross check your address with the one you have in your wallet to make sure that it is correct. Okay, so I'm gonna be selecting TRC20, okay, which is Tron. Okay, so to make sure that we selected the proper address. Okay, so the next thing which I'm gonna be doing here now is to impute the amount. Okay, it's very important that if you are starting with 100, you add extra 1 USDT. Okay, so since I'm sending 99, I will add 100. That is the one fee which Binance is gonna charge me. Okay, so the next thing is for you to confirm. Okay, you confirm. So I'm gonna pause the video so that I will impute my authenticator code. Okay, so I'm done imputing my code. So let's go. Once you are done with this, the money you, once it has been processed, you can see over here it says processing in Binance here. Okay, so once it is done processing in your wallet, you come over to your bot. Okay, this is automated bot, and some of you might be asking, how do this particular bot work? Okay, so now how this particular bot work is that it is automated bot that carries out, you can see our money have left here, it is being completed, so it will come over to this particular place. Okay, it will reflect here, you have seen it here. So we have 1 USDT plus the 99, that's 100. So now this particular bot is automated. Anything once you deposit your money here, it trades for you. And what we are trading, the strategy which we are using is Bitcoin accumulation. It trades Bitcoin. Whenever the Bitcoin market is stable, it analyzes the market, and once the market is good for trading, it enters the market and make a whole lot of money. So the next thing right now is to click. You can see I click boot. This particular place you see boot, that was exactly where I just clicked now. So now you can see we have three type of boot here. So in case you come to this particular level, we have DCA, okay, and which is dollar cost averaging boot, and we have ETHDCA Pro, okay, which these two are not the ones we are using, okay. So what you need to do is you come down a little bit. You see this particular place where you see Bitcoin accumulation. This is exactly what we are trading, what we are in for, okay. So the next thing for you to do is you click start BA boot. BA stand for boot Bitcoin accumulation. So once you have clicked start boot, okay, the next thing that is gonna happen is that it will show you this interface over here. Then you select Bitcoin. Okay, once you have selected Bitcoin, you put amount. So I'm gonna be imputing 100 USDT here. Okay, so since I have 100 USDT, okay. And one good thing about this particular bot is that it doesn't trade when the market is not stable. It doesn't trade when the market there is waves in the market. It doesn't trade, okay. So you can see I selected 99 and I left 1 USD. So right now the next thing is for me to click start this particular place. Since I have configured it, you click, once it have shown this, you click starting boot. So this is exactly what you really gonna be seeing, okay. So and the next thing is for you to click start boot, okay. It will start running on its own, okay. So you can see the boot have actually started running very perfectly, okay. Now this particular boot, whenever there is chaos in the market, it will not trade, okay. Is a very professional programmed boat, okay. Now if you want to get this particular boat, the boat costs 46 USDT if you want to get the boat. But if it doesn't have up to 46 USDT to get this particular boat, you can join my VIP group, which you can send me message on WhatsApp or Telegram if you want to join the VIP group. So from the VIP group you can gain access to this particular boat, because I normally allow my VIP members to access the boat without buying the boat, okay. For those of you that doesn't have much to buy the boat, okay. So and this particular boat is highly profitable. It trades on daily basis, and one good thing about this boat is that you can actually start with 20 USDT, okay. So as low as 20 USDT you can start, okay. If you are using $100, you really make a whole lot of money, okay. So now let's give you some minutes and come back to see how much we have made and we make a withdrawal, okay. So you can see over here, after some minutes, okay, after some minutes, we are back here. You can see we have made 306 USDT. So I'm gonna be stopping this particular boat, okay, because we have actually made a good profit. This is 3S that we have made here. And remember, some of the time it will not give you this particular 3S, okay. It's only when the market is highly very profitable that this particular boot will give you a whole lot of money, okay. So even if there is a day that this particular boat didn't trade, once the market is good and this boat start running, you're really gonna make a whole lot of money, okay. So you can see I have stopped the over here. You can see that the 300, this is extra 300 that we made, okay. This is 300 that we actually make here, okay. And I have stopped the boat from running, you can see that. But plus our capital, you can see it added plus our capital here. So plus our capital, we have 411. Okay, because it's gonna add up your capital after making profit. Okay, so this is very, very amazing. Now what we are going to be doing right now is to make a withdrawal into our Binance. Okay, so the next thing, I'm gonna be clicking withdraw, and to my USDT TRC20. So I'll go to my Binance to copy my address over there. So we are gonna be copying USDT TRC20 because that was what I deposited. Okay, so the next thing is to copy Tron, then go back to the boat. We are gonna be withdrawing 401. Okay, since we made 300 USDT. Okay, we made 300 USDT plus our capital, that is 411. So we are going to be leaving 10 USD here to make withdrawal for 400. So you can see I've input my wallet. The next thing is processing. You can see withdrawal requests have been submitted, and it's very, very fast and reliable. So we are going to go back to my Binance and wait for the deposit, okay, the withdrawal which we made to arrive here. Okay, so Binance just gave me a message right now of depositing into, you can see over here, you can see that USDT depositing, and it is 400 USDT. Okay, because they took 1 USD fee. Okay, so the bot, once you are done trading, they will take 1 USD and give you the rest. So we have 400 USDT here, 401. We withdraw 401 and they gave us 400. Okay, so you can see how profitable this bot is. You can join, get started. My contact details is down below.